Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to manage passwords on iOS device. Do you have a list of passwords in your smartphone? Well, that's true. Normally people do against several accounts. Remembering them can be a very difficult task and might leave you in a dark, important time where you need the passwords and you are not able to find those. Well, guess what? Dr.Fone Password Manager provides a composite option in the form of this tool that helps user manage their entire password collection. Well, learn more about how this iOS Password Manager helps in making your life easy. Part 1. How to find your password on iOS device. To locate the passwords of your multiple accounts through this iOS Password Manager, follow the simple steps as below. Step 1. Access Password Manager tool. Launch Wondershare's Dr.Fone on your computer and proceed to navigate through this part. Toolbox, Password Manager. Step 2. Initiate scan on iDevice. As the platform detects the iOS device connected to the computer through a USB cable, continue to select the option of Start Scan for detecting all accounts' password. Step 3. Verify putting backup passwords. Before the process starts, prompts users to put up a backup password on the iDevice. The backup password will be removed once the scan concludes altogether. Click OK to initiate the process of finding passwords on the device. Step 4. Observe the progress of the password scanning. The next screen shows the progress of scanning process, letting you know the time frame under which the process will be completed. Step 5. Review the passwords. Once the scanning is concluded, the list of all the passwords against all the accounts and settings appears right on the screen, where you can select and view any particular password that you wish. Part 2. How to export passwords as CSV file. Well, the steps are as follows. For those who wish to export their password as a distinct file type, they can have it done in the CSV format from Dr.Fone. Once you have the list of the passwords displayed on the screen, click Export on the bottom right. Step 2. Select and export. The following prompt window displays the option you can export your password to. Select any of them and export your passwords as CSV files in this iOS Passwords Manager. Get ready for a continuous stream of product guideline videos, and please go now and hit that bell icon so you will be subscribed to our channel to keep an eye on all the new videos and the content that we are uploading consistently. Please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe and share with your friends as well who need this information. Please go down and comment below if you have any other question or any suggestions. We're really looking forward for your positive feedback, and we'll see you in the next one with some amazing features regarding Dr.Fone.